In front of me is VIVO V30 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Display and Brightness. Then select Font Style and click on one of those system fonts to tap on Apply. And select the best one for you. But if you wish to try something more interesting, hit Download More at the bottom and tap on any of those fonts. When you find the perfect one, hit Download, tap on Apply and wait. Then close your app and Settings. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!